Hi folks, I'm Jose Rodriguez, President and CEO of Virgin Credit Solutions, known here in Miami as Mr. Credit 305. And today we have the pleasure to have true professionals in regards to tax laws. It's an important subject. If you're a business owner or a consumer, have some tax problems or some tax issues or tax questions, you want to deal with the best. And today here at Urgent Credit Solutions, we have the best. Straight from Washington, D.C., we have Proffitt and Associates. We have Amber Proffitt and Tyrell Spradley. Welcome, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
No, thank you. I'm so privileged to have you guys, man. It's the class of professionals that you are, and we've been working together. We've had a couple projects working. We got some amazing stuff that we're working together in the near future that we're about to announce in the next couple of days. And you've helped out. I mean, I can tell you stories about clients that you've assisted. In fact, just yesterday, you assisted one of our clients and saved them a pretty big headache. So thank you.
Yeah,
thank
no
you.
problem. That was the point.
I know, and his words to me is, "She saved my life." He's a business owner, and he was in a tough spot, and it just took a few minutes for Amber to figure it out. And having now Tyrell here that flew in also to spend time with us is amazing. I'm gonna take advantage of this. I have some questions that I wrote down that I know is important for my clients, and questions that I thought about. And I'm gonna ask you to see what your answers are and how you can help our clients out. One of the first questions is, first of all, guys, introduce yourselves. Talk about your company.
Oh my gosh, I'm Amber Proffitt of Proffitt and Associates. I am the owner. I've been practicing for about 7 years, almost 8 years. I'm an enrolled agent, and now I'm currently a certified financial advisor. And I'm looking forward to working more with Jose. And this is my buddy right here, let's see, Jose. Jesus Christ, Tyrell. But yes, so we work very closely together. We're always fussing about certain clients. I'm sure you can go ahead and chime in on this one.
I'm Tyrell Spradley. I'm a colleague of Amber at Proffitt and Associates. My background's in accounting, but I also have my master's in tax law from Georgetown Law School. We're looking forward to working with anyone, answering questions they have, and really taking us to the next level in 2021, 2020.
Absolutely, and thank you for the introduction. And guys, formerly from Mr. Credit 305, welcome to my city here in Miami. Hope you're having a fantastic time.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're probably not going to want to leave.
No, he doesn't want to leave, and that's just driving me crazy.
I hear an office opening up here.
It's a 2-hour plane ride each way.
There you go. My house is your house. I wrote down some questions, so folks, I got my little notes here ready. First question I want to ask is, how to take advantage of business expenses? That's what business owners have.
There's multiple different business expenses. It could be from cell phone usage, it could be to a company vehicle, it could be also something as small as designated space in your home for a business home deduction. We have clients that unfortunately some take advantage of, but we have to kind of get them back in line. But we also have ones that a lot of them are missing. Mileage, it's one of the biggest ones that you can get. It's not dollar for dollar. It's normally about in between 50 to 54 cents, depending on the year.
57 cents.
57 this year. The big thing is the documentation, and that's with any business expense. It has to be properly documented.
Also, a lot of business owners don't take advantage of depreciation, especially if they purchase any equipment. Equipment is allowed to be depreciated based on whatever type of equipment that you receive, especially if you have a vehicle under the business name, not leased but purchased, you can depreciate the vehicle as well.
Awesome. And that's important, folks. When it has to be taxes, you want to go ahead and get as many write-offs as you can, right?
Yeah, you want to take advantage as much as you can.
Absolutely. I have another question. On retirement, are there retirement options for business owners? That's something I've been thinking about.
Yeah, several retirement options. It can span from a solo 401k, self-employment pension, IRA, self-directed IRA. Tyrell?
Amber really undersells that point. As a business owner, the retirement planning piece can be extremely beneficial.
Yeah.
Extremely beneficial as a business owner if you're a sole all the way up to a C corporation. Just speaking with the right individuals and getting that set up, you can see substantially savings.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Now, on following up to that, what are the write-off on a, let's say on a 401k or let's say any kind of retirement? Do you write off completely under taxes? Is it benefit taxes or is there a certain percentage?
I believe there's a percentage, it's not the complete amount. However, there's a cap with the self-employment pension. I believe it's 57,000 this year.
About
57,000 that you can place into your self-employment pension. Whereas if you were to work for someone, I think they have to match you. Is it 19,000?
Yeah,
18.5 or 19,000.
Substantially lower.
Substantially lower, and you don't get the write-off.
So.
Yeah.
And the beautiful thing is, you can work for someone and have new entrepreneurs that still have to work that 9 to 5.
Yep.
You can combine the two. You just got to make sure you're looking at the limits.
Wow.
Yeah. There are limits with that too. You have to be very cautious because you can't get a penalty for those.
So unfortunately, the answer kind of is depends on your situation.
Yeah, it really does.
Got it. And I'm sure folks, I'm going to give you their information, or they're going to give you their information. I'm sure you're going to have a lot more questions. These are questions that I had, but we're going to make sure they have you'll have their contact information. When clients call me, because we have such a close relationship with our clients, because we do financial services for consumers and business, they ask me questions that I don't know.
Right.
And one of the questions they ask is estimated taxes. What does this mean? I've got that call. Hey, they think I'm an accountant. I'm not. I got the pros right here.
Right.
What is the estimated taxes? What does that mean?
It's usually based off of the quarter, whatever you've made in gross revenue.
Okay.
But usually I try to separate the gross revenue or whatever expenses you may have had in that quarter to determine exactly what you should be paying. A good estimate. We haven't finalized the actual amount, so that's the point of it being estimates, because we don't know the actual amount at the end of the year.
Got it. Perfect.
You want to chime in on this one?
Just a little detail. If you work with your tax planner ahead of time, you can get good solid numbers like Amber was saying. It's looked at quarterly instead of waiting to the last quarter.
Yeah.
That way the estimates can fluctuate. The biggest thing is, if you work for an individual, you would have payroll taxes withheld out of your paycheck.
Right.
Since you're self-employed and you're running your own soon-to-be amazing company, you have to start setting money aside so you don't get that big tax bill at the end of the year with any penalties and interest.
Right.
Tyrell, following with that, how does tax planning works?
Tax planning. It's
the biggest thing that every business owner needs to do.
Exactly.
No matter if you're small or large.
Having that conversation with your tax professional January 1 for the upcoming year. You have tax avoiding, which that can get you in trouble, and tax planning, which is the legal way to work and have your expenses offset your income and lower your tax bill.
Right.
Awesome.
It's more of a structure thing.
Absolutely. It is working with true professionals like yourselves. I respect that there's people out there that might have their accountant, or they might go to the H&R Block, whatever it is. But folks, you want to deal with professionals, and you talk about taxes. You don't want to get in trouble with taxes. You want to save as much money. You work hard for your money, especially if you're a business owner. Deal with professionals. In fact, Amber had one of our other clients that she had some issues with another accountant in the past, and Amber's assisting her. And we got those things resolved. If you're not sure about your accountant, or you're not sure about who's helping you, let them give it another second look. It might save you some time, headaches, legal problems, money. True professionals. I'm telling you, they're great partners of mine. If you want to have questions and they want to reach out to you guys, how do they get a hold of you?
You can contact me at Amber, AMBER, at Proffitt Associates, PROFFITT, ASSOCIATES.net. Or you can contact me on my office line, 301-798-4051, extension 101.
And I can be reached at the same phone number, extension
102.
102.
Yeah.
If you need cell phone, quick access, 717-903-3811. And you brought up a good point, Jose, about accountant. All accountants aren't tax professionals, and that sometimes get mixed. So you can have an accountant and you can have a tax professional. You need someone who focuses specifically on tax when you're ready for the tax piece.
Yeah.
But as a business owner, you need a bookkeeper/accountant. You need it.
That's awesome.
Thanks for putting that in there. I think we forgot that.
Yeah, that's awesome. Great conversation, folks. I could have you here for hours. Again, you got their information. Feel free to reach out to them. I'm sure it's free consultation. Amber, thank you. Tyrell, thank you for being here with us.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us.
It was such a pleasure having you.
It's been an amazing week.
I'm telling you, we still got a couple more days with you.
Yeah, a couple more days. Yes.
And we got some big things that we're about to announce, so be looking out. Folks, thank you so much for being here. It is always my pleasure. My house is your house. And enjoy your time here in Miami.
All right.
Don't drink too many mojitos. All right? No, drink as many mojitos.
I'll try not to.
All right, thank you guys.
All
Folks,
right.
have an awesome day. Reach out to my friends at Proffitt and Associates.
Thank you.